right, well, good morning. Today I am gonna work on my 16GN Tourflex, which I think is the ultimate or the ideal non-CDL hotshot trailer. So the plan is we got to put these wheels on, right? The 19.5 inch wheels, the Bore wheels that I ordered, we got to put them on. That's what we're doing today. All right, now your first thing might be, Alex, hold on, you already put them on, and you'd be correct. I did put this side on yesterday, right? And so I realized when I put them on, I'm like, hold on, that's not good. This isn't gonna fit. Let's take a look. Hold on. Oh my goodness, it's uncomfortable. Oh, okay. When I put the wheel, look, you see the C channel right here? Right here, huh? You see, there it is. So it's amazing what you can do when you can focus and get the light correctly. So you see this C channel? It would have been like right up against the tire if I didn't cut this out. And so yesterday I called my trailer guy and I was like, hey man, can you like come torch this out? And so that's what he did. All right, well, good morning. It's been a couple of days. I got a lot of work done, but what happened was, okay, so let me get you up to speed, right? So first and foremost, I took the Enterprise rental to Firestone and I had them do oil change and fuel filters like they're supposed to do. The problem is I forgot my GoPro in there, so it sat there all day. And while I was working here at the house on the trailer, I couldn't record anything. So what I did over here is I cut this stake pipe because that was the only one in the way, and I drove up the old truck on it, trying to straighten it out. Hold on. Oh, it hasn't straightened out yet. But then what I was driving up, I'm like, hold on, this is a problem. Because you see how that, like, the thin portion isn't flat on the ground? That creates a weak point. So inevitably, this will break right there. So I don't know if that's a problem. I look forward to hearing you guys in the comments down below. Is this an issue? Should I have gotten longer ramps or lower ramps or something? I don't, like, I think that's bad. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it diagonally from here all the way there, so diagonally like that. And when you cut it diagonally, then you have two triangles like this. And what you do is you take this triangle and you flip it like this. And then you cut off the top and you cut off the bottom a little bit because it'll be way too long. And it fits perfectly right in there. And then this is the middle support and it goes across those two beams. And then up here, I'll be able to fit two spare tires because that's what I'm giving the driver instead of just one. It'll be like this nice little top deck that you can actually stand on. All right, so here is the finished product after cutting a whole bunch. Right here, I made a mistake measuring it, so I had to remeasure and I already cut it once. So, and then right here, I was cutting with my left hand and it's a little bit not crooked, or not straight, it's a little bit crooked. But anyways, that's the goal. You know, after you cut it diagonally and you put the two triangles like side by side, what you want is these two middle pieces. Okay, so let's throw them up there and let me show you how it looks. All right, and so look at this. So I put them in and they're so snug that like they're coming against each other. So I'm gonna jump up there and like squeeze them down, and this way they won't move. Plus, look at that, I cut out the thing for the I-beam. I mean, it doesn't, not super perfect, but look, snugs in there, not gonna go anywhere. Then I mean, put two tires on top of this too. So really, really nice, worked out really well. All right. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that, super cool. Oh, it popped right back up, darn it. Maybe not so nice after all. All right, here it is, finished project. So when you put some weight on it and nothing happens. So yeah, now I'm just gonna throw a strap over this. I think like this or something like that. I don't know if I should have it in the center or off to the side, but it doesn't matter. Basically, this is the top deck for the gooseneck trailer. I think it's pretty cool. It doesn't add a whole bunch of weight as if you were to put, like, you know what I mean? So I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's fantastic, man. I always like this stuff because if you're tarping, right, you could just stand up here and throw a tarp over the front of your load. Super easy. So it really is convenient. If it's raining really bad too, you could kind of run under there and like take a break while it's raining, stuff like that too. So it really is a nice idea that I think works out really cool. But it does require you, keep in mind, there is hold on, let's jump down. right here. So this is the spare tire holder, and you can see I kind of cut it off and went ham at it with a hammer. Yeah. So keep in mind, you will have to cut off your spare tire holder to make it flat, okay? All right, so it was a busy weekend, but I believe I'm done, okay? I drove my truck up and down these ramps a couple times. I think it actually straightened them out a little bit, actually, so it's not bent so bad. So that's kind of nice, but anyways, so like I said, all the brakes are good, all the tires are good. There's my 2 spares up there, and let's see what else. I put everything back into that toolbox like I showed you, and the truck is ready to go. Drivers should be here very, very soon. And oh, okay. And so yeah, that's exciting. The one thing is this Ford right here, this thing is held on by a clip in here, right here, and where this zip tie goes into, there's a clip in there, and that clip on my other truck broke too, and this thing can unplug, so I had to zip tie it. I actually bought this new thing, but that's not the part that that's broken. It's this actual plug that's broken, so that's not good. But yeah, I think that's because of the short cable, unfortunately, because then you turn hard and it rips it out. But other than that, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Let me know, what do you think, spending the weekend with me, getting the truck ready? I think it's not bad. I look forward to seeing you guys in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.